So today we again gathering here at CSIR Convention Center for yet another milestone. As the CEO indicated, the launch of the first of its kind facility, the Hot Isostatic Press facility, that will strengthen and advance South Africa's manufacturing industry and contribute towards South Africa's innovation-led industrialization and support various sectors such as aerospace, automotive, and mining. All these moments point to one clear fact: South Africa's science, technology, and innovation landscape is growing rapidly. I'm proud that our department, together with CSIR and other entities, are leading the way. For decades, manufacturing has been a stabilizing force in our economy, creating jobs, supporting multiple industries, and driving national growth. It remains central to our reindustrialization effort. But we also know that manufacturing has been struggling in the recent past. Manufacturing does more than produce goods. It powers value chains across transport, logistics, energy, and retail. It transforms our mineral wealth through beneficiation and strengthens local supply chains, reducing dependence on imports while boosting our global competitiveness. And for manufacturing to continue playing this vital role, it must remain, as the CEO indicated, competitive, innovative, and future-ready. This is why the white paper on science, technology, and innovation calls for investment in advanced technologies and the development of new industry segments here in South Africa. The National Development Plan sets the foundation for this vision. It highlights the need for South Africa to deepen its productive base in agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and services, so that our economy becomes much more diversified and globally competitive. This diversification is essential to stimulate employment, expand exports, and build resilience in a rapidly changing global economy. Manufacturing, therefore, stands as a strategic pillar of our reindustrialization agenda. Our department is fully committed to this vision. We support incremental improvements and breakthrough technologies. We fund research, introduce new technologies into the factories, and build strong local value chains. Our investments are already enabling progress in areas such as manufacturing of additive and mining equipment and advanced facilities such as this one that we're launching today. So we continue to explore meaningful ways to support South Africa's industries through initiatives like this. And we are convinced that these investments are about building capacity, strengthening local industries, creating new technology, manufacturing segments, and ensuring that South Africa is ready to compete in the global economy of the future. We view today's launch as a reminder that science, technology, and innovation are powerful and enabling tools that shape industries, create opportunities, and build a stronger and more competitive South Africa. For us, it will always be about asking how can we place science, technology, and innovation at the center of government, education, society, industry, and even our relationship with the planet. Whether through advancing health and wellness, creating opportunities for local businesses, or driving sustainable innovation, our mission remains rooted in making a meaningful impact. This facility, therefore, stands as a testament to that mission and to our commitment to progress. I wish, on behalf of the Minister, to congratulate the CSIR and various partners in bringing this project to fruition. Your work strengthens our national system of innovation and supports our collective mission to advance an inclusive and sustainable socio-economic development. So let us continue working together to ensure that science, technology, and innovation are and remain central to South Africa's progress, and that the benefits of these investments are felt across the country and the industry. And therefore, CEO, wish to request your communications team, which is doing an excellent work, to do even much more to make sure that this work and other great work of the CSIR are communicated widely and broadly. As I indicated to you, I'm in and out of a meeting that's involving all different kinds of people. Yesterday it was quite surprising when we spoke to them that the majority of people, while they appreciate the work that we do as a department and a system, but they are convinced that we can do more by way of packaging our work and communicating it to them. I'm also convinced that there are opportunities to leverage what we have been able to build to make sure that we attract additional investments, both locally and internationally. CSIR staff colleagues, we are very proud of you. Thank you very much. All the best.